There's another project here at Let's Make on University by one of the students. It is a mixed reality coding teaching tool. So what we see here is a web camera attached to a projector that's running through a coding algorithm, a vision computer algorithm that's detecting these triggers, and they are steps in simple programming tools. And you're going to program a spider which is projected onto the table to do different steps. And all these triggers represent different simple coding mechanisms. So here's the beginning of a loop, how many times the loop is processed. Here's a step to turn 30 degrees, which direction, and then degrees. End the loop. This is go forward and how far. So you can connect these in all sorts of different fashions, right? And I'm just going to, it tells you how it's repeating and what it's seeing in the top right-hand corner as well. So it's turning 30 degrees 6 times and then going straight 2 centimeters. So I'm just going to enter this into the loop and have it reprogram. You see this spider go, maybe. Oh, there it goes. Nice big circle. And here's a student that invented it. Hello. Thank you.